Are you planning some bathroom renovations and need some ideas? In this video, we're going to share with you no less than 15 different bathroom renovations, complete with before and after pictures. After you go through this video, your brain will be buzzing with the thoughts of bathroom renovations. Plus, this video is full of ideas you can swipe and deploy for your own bathroom. A great bathroom should be a sanctuary in your home. It should be a relaxing space where you can literally wash or soak away the stresses of the day. But so many of our bathrooms are far from this ideal. From bottles of shampoo precariously balanced on the edge of the bath, to soggy towels or mouldy shower curtains, our bathrooms are cluttered, dark and damp. It's time we gave them the love they deserve, by restoring the wow factor to our washing areas. Look no further for that all-important inspiration for your bathroom renovation remodel project. Here are 15 of our favourite, easy to copy bathroom renovations and remodels that would look good in any home. Number 1 is from plastic to fantastic. Bathroom renovations like this are pretty common, the good old 1970s plastic bathroom suite. While this particular example is in a tasteful hummus brown, yours could well be periwinkle blue, baby pink, or everybody's favourite classic avocado. Hopefully, also you have matching toilet seat and washing basement to complete the look. But do not despair, as this project clearly shows your bathroom can easily be brought back to life. Here they have opted for a vintage roll-top bath with an inexpensive shower curtain. The new floor tiles are simple and stylish, and by running the tiles underneath the freestanding bath, the room immediately feels larger and more spacious. I also really like the polished brass shower and taps. Most new tapware, even the shiny chrome stuff, is brass underneath, and many manufacturers are now offering this much classier finish for a comparable price. In my opinion, it's definitely worth the investment. Number 2, time to ask the panel. What was it with pink bathrooms? It is amazing the difference a block of colour like this can have on the feel of a space. The owners of this DIY bathroom remodel have simply replaced the gaudy tiles with classic horizontal wood panelling. Neutral colours and lots of white for the floor and wall tiles, as well as the new vanity unit, add a crisp and clean feel to the room rather than pink and pokey. As yet another alternative to boring old chrome, this bathroom also uses matte black tap and shower fittings, which I think look really sharp. They have taken the time to find matching black door handles, wall lights and loo roll holder to complete the look. Number 3 is what I call the gold standard. Bathroom renovations in loft spaces can be tricky to get right. This bathroom is bright and just a little bonkers. For those of you with loft conversions, this will be a familiar scenario. How to fit a proper bathroom in a space beneath the roof pitch. Well, the owners of this project have had to make some sacrifices for sure. I'm pretty sure even I would struggle to stand under that shower. The resulting space is, however, very bright and playful with a touch of luxury. I am not usually a fan of wallpaper, least of all in wet areas, but the small areas in this bathroom do add life and a certain character to the space. Couple that with the brass fittings and the floor-to-ceiling tiling and I think the result is very successful. Number 4, a small but smart shower room. This project is a good example of how to make the most of a small space. The main change in this compact shower room in New York City is the removal of the wall between the shower and the rest of the room. Replacing the wall with a frameless glass shower screen really opens up the space and makes it feel much brighter, as do the white floor to ceiling tiles. Storage is a premium in all bathrooms, especially small ones. Lifting up off the floor like this, as well as adding wall-mounted mirrored cupboards, are 2 great design tricks to add to your scrapbook. The more floor your eyes can see, the larger the room feels, and adding mirrors to the wall has the effect of expanding your perception of the space by reflecting the space beyond it. Number 5, for crimes against wallpaper. I've seen some bathroom renovations in my time, but wow! This bathroom had it all. Carpet on the floor, net curtains and that rose pattern wallpaper complete with matching bath. Far from being a relaxing oasis, this bathroom must have felt like an assault on the senses. The resulting transformation could not feel more different. But if you look closely, it is amazing what a lick of paint can do. I particularly like the use of colours and contrast in this project. Painting the walls a fresh white colour and replacing the carpet with practical white vinyl has allowed the owners to add bright primary colours in the form of the painted bath, vanity and artwork. Number 6, steal space where you can. This bathroom is a case study in borrowing space. Luckily, the owners of this project were able to incorporate a section of adjacent roof space to almost double the floor area while opening up the ceiling to create a better sense of volume. For me, however, their greatest trick was increasing the size of the window. Framing a view out of the window to the trees beyond draws the landscape into the room and establishes a greater connection between inside and out. The use of semi-industrial light fittings and his/her shower heads are also interesting features of this remodel. Number 7. Small and stripy. Another bathroom, another bold colour scheme. The dark green here is just too much, especially in a room this small. Large blocks of colour like this effectively absorb light, making the room feel even more dark and dingy than it really is. Again, adding a large frameless mirror immediately doubles the sense of space. The banded black and white striped tiles and pendant light fittings add character and style without being too dominant or shouting for attention. Number 8. Bringing the daylight in. Okay, there are a lot of different patterns vying for your attention in this 1950s bathroom, but the main problem was the solid shower enclosure blocking out the light from the window. Also, the bath behind the door and the bulky shower made for an odd layout with a really cramped feel. Rearranging the bathroom elements so that the bath is under the window has an immediate impact. Also, combining a walk-in shower next to the bath is a clever use of space that reduces the amount of circulation area. The resulting bathroom feels light, bright and relaxing, despite being functionally and spatially much more efficient. Number 9. Bathroom blues. Maybe it's just me, but I actually quite like the blue 1960s bath and matching tiles in this one. It's also worth saying that with bathroom renovations, is there anything worth keeping in yours? It is pretty full on though, and the rest of the bathroom was in a pretty bad state. This is a good example of simply replacing the fittings and finishes while keeping the plumbing and electrics in roughly the same location. This is a great way to save money on your remodeling project, where labour and tradesmen are often your greatest expense. This bathroom remodel is much calmer and serene than the 1960s original, and the owners have been able to use the money saved on labour to invest in good quality new and vintage fixtures and fittings. Number 10. Sometimes it pays to save. This one is kind of a hybrid. Remodeling a bathroom is not just about ripping out the old stuff and putting white tiles everywhere. As with all design projects, you should first take stock of what you have already, establishing what is working and what is not. The bathroom in this 1940s house contained some attractive original blue tiles, but coupled with the dark blue walls and some pretty poor lighting, the room felt small and dark. The owners wanted to keep the vintage feel of the bathroom, so the tiles remained. By adding a coat of white paint and a modern vanity unit, the two styles are able to sit comfortably side by side, whilst retaining the original character and charm. Number 11. Don't eat yellow snow or put brown tiles in a bathroom. The old bathroom has some really ugly tiles in them. They almost look like lino, and they certainly don't go with the rest of the colour scheme of the bathroom. So with this bathroom renovation, they simply replace the tiles with some new aqua coloured ones, and they make some difference. They also change the wall colours to suit too, and to make this a nice modern looking bathroom. The lesson learned here is don't put brown tiles on a bathroom floor. Number 12. Art Deco disaster to Art Deco doozy. Well, the 1930s Art Deco bathroom is interesting to say the least. I must admit I don't mind the arch entrance to the bathtub, but at the same time I'd never have it in my house. The colours are just ghastly. What the owner has done here is just fantastic though. She managed to retain the feel of the old bathroom but update it in a very stylish manner. The floor tiles look great and I just love that frameless shower. There's a few lessons to be learned here about this one. Number 13. White marble masterpiece. This is one of my favourite on the list. Again, brown in a bathroom should be made illegal. If it was a brighter colour, it probably wouldn't be too bad. But they gutted the whole thing and replaced the bathtub to create a larger shower and have the sinks and cabinets on this side too. The floor and countertops are marble and they work well with the grey panel colours in the bathroom. Real care and attention to detail went into this one. You can tell a craftsman worked on this. Number 14. A remodelling space creating triumph. As bathroom renovations and remodels, this one is a really good use of space. The difference is completely night versus day. The horrible yellow bathroom has been completely gutted, and the less said about this one the better. The new bathroom looks very elegant, although I don't think it's perfect. The tiles are nice, but I'm not sure they go with the timber panelling. Not sure about the lilac colour either. But with all that said, it is a great use of space. And number 15, another smart use of space. To be fair, the before state isn't that bad. Sure, it's a little outdated, but not too shabby. The new bathroom looks great, and the thing I want you to notice here is that the vanity has been removed and replaced with a wall-hung sink. This frees up a lot of space in the bathroom and makes it easier to clean. It looks a lot neater too. The cabinet underneath the window makes up for lost storage. So there you go. Thanks for checking out our bathroom renovation ideas video. For a lot more information like this, please visit bespokehomedesign.com or click on some of the links provided below. Also, do you want to know how much your renovation will cost? The most common question we get on Bespoke Home Design and from our clients is, how do I get a ballpark figure for my building work so I have an idea of how much it will cost before I start? And there really hasn't been an easy answer to that until now. Well, if the question above also applies to you, then you need to check out our free Ultimate Renovation and Remodeling Costing Toolkit. Basically, we've tried every costing tool both offline and online, and we've put together this toolkit which shows you how to use what we consider the best 3 free online costing tools that exist for the UK market. We break down each one and give you step-by-step instructions on how to use them, and you'll be shocked with how ridiculously easy to use they are. We'll also show you what info you need to fill them out and how to get this info if you don't have it. Again, it's really simple to do. This is the best resource on the big bad interwebs for getting a pretty good ballpark figure for your renovation. And the best part is that you can do it all online. There's no calling anyone or booking an appointment or being hounded by salespeople. In summary, you'll discover the 3 free and super simple online costing tools made for renovations and remodeling projects. You'll get an accurate cost for your potential renovation in 5 minutes or less. Yes, it's really that fast. And you'll be able to make sure you don't get overpriced and ripped off by builders on your dream renovation. So to go and get your free copy, all you have to do is click the link below and you'll be brought to a page of the Bespoke Home Design website. And you simply enter your name and email address and we'll email you your free copy. So click the link below and get yours now.